Today we're doing part 2 of the Harbor Freight ITC and parking lot sale for October of 2025, and that's coming up next year on Jesse B Gear. Welcome back everybody, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, hit that notification bell, and leave a comment down below if you like videos like this. Well, I just happened to run across some more money during the parking lot sale, October 2025 at Harbor Freight, so I had to go back there and pick me up a couple more things. So that's what we're going to go over in this video is round 2 of what I bought, so let's get started. The first thing I picked up here is going to be on the ITC discount, and what we have here is the Pittsburgh 4-pound dead blow hammer. Now this comes in at $12.99, and I got it for $9.99 on the sale, saving 23%. I've actually had a couple of these, and somehow these keep coming up missing, so since they were on sale, I picked me up another one. I like using these for rusted rotors on cars while I'm doing brake jobs. You hit them a few times with this, and usually that rotor will pop right off. Now the next thing I picked up here is something a lot of people are using, and I'm starting to use a lot more, and that's these kind of gloves right here. These were on the parking lot sale, by the way. These are normally $16.99, and at 53% off, over half off. These things were $7.98. Right now is the time to get these. Guys, this is Friday that I'm making this video. This deal ends Sunday. If you use these type of gloves, get your butt to Harbor Freight and get you some of these. These things are a heck of a deal right now. Now in these next two items, I got these on the parking lot sale too. For some reason, they're not showing the discounts on the receipts this time around, but I'm going to leave a thing up in the corner anyways, and you'll be able to see how much off these are. But because I got those gloves, I end up picking up the magnetic glove holder. I don't have a tool cart yet that I'm going to put this on, but I do have a rack that I set all my chemicals and everything on when I'm working on cars, and it's made of metal, so I'm going to stick this on it. Now I paid $9.98 on this, and like I said, I'll leave up in the corner what regular price is. I'm guessing around $15 for these, so not a bad deal on that. Now for the big thing I bought this time, you can see back here I bought a bandsaw the first time around. This time I got my first Icon thing from Harbor Freight. Usually, like if I buy hand tools, I buy Pittsburgh or Quinn. This is the first Icon thing. And the reason why I wanted this seat, I think it's around $115. I'm going to leave a thing up above for this one too because I'm not sure. But this was on sale for $79.99. I absolutely had to get my hands on this. I've got one of those old rickety ones, and I'll do a video on this and show you the one I've been using. This thing is a lot more solid, and it's good for people up to 300 pounds, and I'm 270, and I can tell you what, I've been excited to get my hands on a better seat, and what better time now than the parking lot sale to pick this one up dirt cheap to try out. There'll be videos on this one coming soon. So once again, I just wanted to go over what I picked up at Harbor Freight during the sales this time. It seems like you guys enjoy these videos, so I figured anytime I do it, I'll do a video on what I pick up and where the sales are at. Hopefully, coming up on the next one, I can't wait for next month because that's Black Friday and there should be some great stuff. So start saving up your money for the Black Friday deals. So as always, don't forget to check the links out down below. They do help out the channel so I can have money to go buy this stuff to do videos for you guys. Always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Leave a comment down below. We are one nation under God, and I'll see you all on the next one.